Let's see the question number 18. Assertion: albumin is a globular protein. Reason: polypeptide chain coils around to give a straight chain. Okay, so globulous proteins are highly branched proteins, usually soluble in water. Fibrous proteins are rod shaped or wire shaped, usually proteins generally water insoluble. Insulin and albumin do not come along fibrous proteins. So, assertion is correct that aluminum is a globular protein, but this reason is not correct because polypeptide chain coils around to give a straight chain. No, it is not correct and it is not relatable to this, and it is not the explanation of this also. So let's see what is the answer. Are we correct or not? Assertion is correct. Yes, I have told this, but reason is incorrect statement. Right, I also told this also, that reason is not correct statement and is not the explanation of assertion. So we are absolutely correct.